Motorcyclist dies after stunt goes wrong on Portland Road. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A motorcyclist died from injuries he sustained when he collided in a minibus while performing a stunt on the Margaret's Bay Main Road in Portland on Saturday. A video of the collision has gone viral on social media. The deceased has been identified as Rashawn Miller of Black Hill District, Portland. The police reported that at around 3:15 p.m. on Saturday, Miller was driving his motorcycle when he attempted to do a wheelie and lost control of the unit, which slammed into a white minibus that was driven in the opposite direction. Miller was flung from the motorcycle upon impact and sustained multiple injuries. He died at hospital. In the viral video that appeared to have been recorded by another motorcyclist, Miller can be seen driving both sides of the roadway. He then attempted to drive the motorcycle on one wheel across the median into the opposite part of the white bus that was traveling in the opposite direction, where he was hit by the oncoming minibus. "No, Father God, no," shouted the videographer after the collision occurred. Miller was seen lying on the side of the road before the video ended. There have been mixed reactions to the video on social media, with some persons blaming the motorcyclist for causing his own death, while others insisted that the minibus should have slowed down when he saw him in his path. "I'm praying for him, the motorcyclist, and his family. We all did silly things when we were young. It's not time to play the blame game," said a man on Facebook. The bus driver could not slow down when he saw him, the motorcyclist. After afar, a woman suggested, "Young people do crazy things. Prayers for the family," another one added. He, the motorcyclist, was the one who swerved into the bus. Watch the video again, another individual stated on the social media platform Facebook. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.